In today's world, information overload can feel overwhelming. But what if I told you that in just 15 minutes, you could unlock the wonders of the universe? This video is for astronomy enthusiasts who want to stay updated on the latest cosmic discoveries. We'll dive into the most exciting breakthroughs made by the Hubble Space Telescope in 2024, from dancing galaxies to stormy planets, all in a concise and captivating format. 14 November 2024, Hubble's November discovery, the aftermath of a galactic scrape. The Hubble Space Telescope captured a dramatic event involving the Large Magellanic Cloud, LMC, a neighboring galaxy of the Milky Way. Recently, the LMC passed through the Milky Way's outer halo, a cosmic clash that stripped away most of its gas. Despite this, the LMC managed to retain enough gas in its compact halo to continue forming new stars, preventing it from becoming a lifeless cluster of old stars. This encounter illustrates a process called ram pressure stripping, where the Milky Way's massive halo acts like a powerful wind, pushing against the LMC's gas and leaving a tail of displaced material. Using its cosmic origin spectrograph, Hubble measured the size of the LMC's remaining halo, about 50,000 light-years across, by analyzing how its gas absorbed ultraviolet light from distant quasars. Why it matters. This discovery provides a rare glimpse into how galaxies interact and evolve, echoing events from the early universe when galactic collisions were more common. The LMC is a cosmic survivor, holding on just enough to keep creating stars, even after a close encounter with the Milky Way. 31st of October 2024, Webb and Hubble examine spooky galaxy pair. Astronomers used the Hubble and Webb Space Telescopes to study two interacting galaxies, IC 2163 and NGC 2207, creating an image that looks eerily like a ghostly face in space. These galaxies haven't fully collided, but grazed past each other in a cosmic close call. This encounter left stunning details. Shock fronts, bright red lines, like glowing eyelids where gas and material collided. Distorted arms, wispy spiral arms stretched and warped from the interaction. The duo is buzzing with activity, forming stars at a much faster rate than our Milky Way. Hubble's view. Bright blue regions highlight star-forming areas in ultraviolet light. Webb's view. Pink and red hues in mid-infrared light reveal cosmic nurseries hidden among gas and dust. What's next for these galaxies? Over millions of years, IC 2163 and NGC 2207 may pass by each other again, eventually merging into a single galaxy. As their gas and dust supplies deplete, star formation will slow, leaving behind a calmer but completely reshaped galaxy with a bright, cyclops-like eye at its center. For now, we get to marvel at this ghostly duo, beautifully captured by two of the most powerful telescopes ever built. 16th of October 2024, Hubble captures Aquarii's stunning spiral and fiery outbursts. Let's take a closer look at Aquarii, one of the wildest stars in our galaxy. Thanks to the NASA ESA Hubble Space Telescope, we now have an incredibly detailed and colorful view of this fascinating system, complete with a breathtaking time-lapse showing its dramatic evolution over nearly a decade. Hubble has given us a stunning view of Aquarii, a symbiotic binary star system located 700 light-years away in the constellation Aquarius. This unique system consists of a red giant over 400 times the size of our Sun, pulsating with fiery brilliance, a white dwarf, a dense remnant star that steals hydrogen from the red giant, causing dramatic explosions. As these stars orbit each other, over a 44-year cycle, the white dwarf's eruptions blast glowing spirals and jets into the surrounding nebula, Cedarblad 211. These explosions enrich space with critical elements like carbon and oxygen, the building blocks of planets and life. Hubble's detailed time-lapse from 2014 to 2023 shows the red giant's pulsations and the nebula's swirling glow, revealing how the universe recycles its materials on an epic scale. Our Aquarii isn't just beautiful, it's a cosmic factory, creating the elements that shape our universe. September 26th, Hubble discovers black hole beam, triggering stellar eruptions. The Hubble Space Telescope has uncovered a remarkable phenomenon in the galaxy M87. A supermassive black hole's jet appears to ignite stellar explosions, or novae, in nearby stars. This black hole, with a mass 6.5 billion times that of the Sun, emits a plasma beam stretching over 3,000 light-years. Stars near this beam are erupting twice as often as expected, creating a cosmic fireworks show. In star systems with a white dwarf and a companion star, hydrogen spills onto the white dwarf and periodically detonates in a nova. The black hole's jet seems to amplify this process, possibly by pushing extra hydrogen onto the white dwarf. Light pressure speeding up fuel transfer, heating nearby stars, forcing more hydrogen dumping. Over 9 months, Hubble tracked 94 novae, concentrated along the jet's path. The discovery highlights how supermassive black holes influence their surroundings, revealing the intricate relationship between jets and star systems. This groundbreaking find offers fresh insights into how black holes shape galaxies, showcasing Hubble's unparalleled ability to explore the cosmos. September 17th, Hubble discovers more black holes in the early universe than expected. In a groundbreaking discovery, the Hubble Space Telescope has revealed a surprising abundance of black holes in the early universe, far more than previously expected. These findings, led by Stockholm University researchers, shed new light on how supermassive black holes, billions of times the Sun's mass, could form so soon after the Big Bang. By studying faint galaxies from the universe's first billion years, Hubble detected subtle changes in brightness, signs of black holes at their centers. This method uncovered more early black holes than ever before, offering fresh insights into their mysterious origins. This discovery, combined with future data from the James Webb Space Telescope, is helping astronomers build better models of galaxy and black hole evolution. This is a missing piece of the galaxy evolution puzzle, said lead researcher Matthew Hayes. July 10th, 2024, Hubble finds evidence for a rare missing link in Omega Centauri. Hubble made an extraordinary find in Omega Centauri, the largest and brightest globular cluster visible from Earth. By analyzing over 500 images spanning 2 decades, astronomers identified 7 fast-moving stars near the cluster's core. Too fast to remain bound without an unseen massive object. This object is likely a long-sought intermediate mass black hole, weighing at least 8,200 times the mass of our Sun. Why it's important. IMBs are the missing link between between small stellar black holes and supermassive black holes. Their discovery answers key questions. Do IMBHs grow into supermassive black holes? Are star clusters like Omega Centauri their ideal homes? Omega Centauri, 17,700 light-years away, is a unique cluster containing 10 million stars. Hubble's precise tracking of 1.4 million stars revealed the rogue star's motion pointing to the black hole. Next steps. The James Webb Space Telescope will refine the black hole's mass and position, potentially making it the closest IMBH ever found to Earth. This discovery highlights Hubble's legacy in advancing our understanding of black hole evolution and cosmic mysteries. 21st of March 2024, Hubble finds that aging brown dwarfs grow lonely. Imagine a lonely old star drifting through the cosmos all alone. Sounds sad, right? Well, it turns out that many brown dwarfs, these failed stars that are bigger than planets but smaller than stars, might experience a similar fate. You see, just like stars, many brown dwarfs are born with a companion. They orbit each other, a cosmic dance. But according to new research from the Hubble Space Telescope, this partnership often doesn't last. Hubble has found that older brown dwarfs are much less likely to have a companion than younger ones. Why? It's all about gravity. These pairs are so weakly bound that the gentle nudges from passing stars can easily break them apart. Think of it like a delicate dance, where a sudden gust of wind can easily separate the partners. These lonely brown dwarfs are the cosmic loners, drifting through the universe on their own. This discovery helps us understand how these failed stars form and evolve. It also highlights the dynamic nature of the universe, where even the most intimate relationships can be disrupted by the relentless forces of gravity. January 25th, 2024, Hubble finds water vapor in small exoplanet's atmosphere. In a groundbreaking discovery, the Hubble Space Telescope has detected water vapor on the smallest exoplanet ever. That's a planet orbiting another star, and it's only about twice the size of Earth. This discovery is a huge deal because it shows that planets with water-rich atmospheres could be common throughout our galaxy. This exciting find was made possible by analyzing the starlight filtering through the planet's atmosphere. It's like the planet's atmosphere leaves a unique fingerprint on the starlight, and Hubble can detect that fingerprint. Now, here's the mystery. Is this planet covered in a thick, steamy atmosphere mostly made of water? Or is it a bit like a mini Neptune with a hydrogen-rich atmosphere that also has some water vapor? If it's a water-rich atmosphere, this planet might be a hot, steamy world, a bit like a superheated Venus. On the other hand, it could be more like Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, which has a huge ocean beneath its icy surface. This discovery is just the beginning. The James Webb Space Telescope will now take a closer look, searching for other molecules in this planet's atmosphere. This will help us understand how these fascinating worlds form and evolve. 9th of January 2024, Hubble finds weird home of farthest fast radio burst. Imagine a cosmic explosion that's brighter than an entire galaxy for a split second. That's a fast radio burst, or FRB. These super powerful blasts come from deep space, but scientists still don't know what causes them. Now, Hubble has found one of the weirdest FRBs ever. This one erupted halfway across the universe, making it the most powerful and distant one we've seen. And where did this cosmic fireworks show happen? Not in a lonely galaxy, but in a crowded neighborhood where galaxies are about to collide. This is a big deal because most FRBs are found in isolated galaxies. So, this discovery suggests that something really wild is happening in this galactic crash zone. Maybe the chaos is triggering these super powerful explosions. Scientists think FRBs might be caused by supermagnetic neutron stars called magnetars. These are like cosmic magnets on steroids. They're so powerful, they could wipe out your credit cards from across the moon. Hubble's amazing pictures are helping us understand these mysterious explosions. By studying more FRBs, we'll unlock the secrets of these cosmic powerhouses. January 4, 2024, Hubble observes a changing exoplanet atmosphere. Imagine a planet so close to its star that it's literally baked. That's WASP 121b, a giant planet where temperatures soar above 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, for the first time, Hubble has caught this fiery world changing over time. Hubble observed WASP 121b multiple times over several years, and the data revealed something incredible. The planet's atmosphere isn't static. It's constantly shifting and changing, just like our weather here on Earth. Scientists used powerful computers to model what's happening. They think giant storms are swirling around this scorching planet, constantly forming and disappearing. This is a huge deal. It means we can start to understand the weather on other worlds. And who knows, maybe one day we'll find a planet with weather that could actually support life. The Hubble Space Telescope continues to amaze us with its discoveries, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge about the universe. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from the cosmos. And there you have it. Some of the most exciting discoveries made by the Hubble Space Telescope in 2024. These incredible observations continue to push the boundaries of our understanding of the universe. But the cosmic adventure doesn't stop here. In my next video, we'll delve into the groundbreaking discoveries made by the James Webb Space Telescope. Get ready to be amazed by the deepest and most detailed images ever captured of the cosmos. As we conclude this virtual odyssey, we invite you to like and subscribe to our channel to embark on further cosmic explorations. With every click, you elevate our pursuit of knowledge and contribute to the collective understanding of our universe.